There are many ways you can make a ghost, but here's a cute legal one you can try at home. You will need cheesecloth, fabric stiffener, scissors, a jar or cup, a ball or balloons, tape, acrylic paint or googly eyes. Some optional supplies: rubbing or isopropyl alcohol, alcohol ink, and battery-powered candles. Inflate the balloon to your preferred size and put it in the opening of your jar. Alternatively, if your balloons refuse to cooperate, flip the jar upside down and tape a ball to the top. I'm using an old juggling ball from back in my unruly circus days, but you can use a racquetball or other non-porous ball. Grab your cheesecloth. Your ghost will look different depending on the thread count of your cheesecloth. Lower thread count for a gauzier ghost bod, higher thread count for a more solid look. Measure out how much cloth you'll need to cover the jar and balloon with excess to spare. You can eyeball this. Science has yet to pin down the exact measurements of ectoplasm. Cut it to size and round your corners. Mix your fabric stiffener with water. The ratio is about 1 part fabric stiffener to 2 parts water. Soak your cheesecloth in the mixture and let the excess drip off before draping it over your ball and jar. You can spend some time arranging the folds of your ghost exactly how you want them. Play around with single layers or multiple layers as you like. Leave overnight to dry. If part of your ghost hasn't dried the way you want, don't worry, you can spray that part with a little water and reconfigure it. If you've used a lower thread count cheesecloth, you'll have better luck attaching googly eyes, but if you've opted for cheesecloth with a higher thread count, you can paint a face on with acrylic or gouache paint. An optional step is to mix alcohol ink with isopropyl or rubbing alcohol to add details, like a little ghastly blush or some necrotic blue shading around the base. Decorate with these ghosts as is, or place them over some fake candles to give them that highly coveted, recently deceased glow. Don't throw away your scraps either. I made a mini ghost by draping them over a champagne cork. What other household items can you find to sculpt your ghosts with? Let me know in the comments, and happy Halloween!